Hi friends! This is my video of me explaining theme check number 2 for those of you who might need a little more direction. When you're done with this, you're going to submit it in Schoology under theme check number 2. In this first box, you're going to put in all the information that you need, or the outline of the information that you'd need for your introduction paragraph. So you want to start out with a hook. Remember, you want your hook to lead into your topic, something to grab the reader's attention. In the second part, you're going to need your story titles, authors, and a brief summary of each selection. And when I say brief, I mean one sentence. So like the story, blah, 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 by author, blah, 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 is about how a father and son go fishing together and realize they have a lot in common. Whatever the story is about, literally just one sentence. Remember that story titles go in quotation marks. If you are choosing to use your novel for one of your stories, then it should be italicized. So remember, you need 2 or 3 story selections, and you'll list each one and give a brief summary of each. Finally, at the end of your introductory paragraph, you'll have a sentence with the base theme that the stories share. This is going to be your thesis. So you might say something like, each one of these stories shares the base theme of love. Down here, type the thematic statement. So thematic statement number 1, all you got to do is copy and paste that from your theme check number 1 that you've already done. So go back to theme check number 1, find your first thematic statement and type it here. If you had any feedback from me, maybe you need to change things a little bit, but you can just copy and paste it right into here. Down here, write at least 3 story details that support the theme. You probably want more than 3 story details, but at least 3 story details that support your theme. So you need to go back into the story that you chose, and you need to find details that support your theme. So wherever you can find them, maybe it's a character example, maybe it's a conversation example, it's in the dialogue somewhere. Whatever it is that you can find in the story that's going to be your examples to support the theme. This is the most important part about the paper, is having these specific examples. You're also going to want to include the page numbers here. So when you find your examples, make sure you have page numbers. And again, you want at least 3. Go down to the next one and do the same thing. Include your thematic statement for your next story. Find 3 more story examples with page numbers. This one, remember, is optional. If you are choosing to only write about 2 story selections, then you don't need to do this box. If you are going to write about 3 story selections, then you can do this box. That's up to you. Submit this when you're done, and this will bring you one step closer to being able to just fill out your whole theme paper and get your theme paper done. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you.